Alright, so this is like take two of tile copy blow off valve from Aliexpress unboxing. There's only one available right now, so um, there's some YouTube guide on there. I think you need to do something to this to make it work right. I've never bought one before, and the ones I have used, I've welded. So there's the blow off valve. We got some clamps here. They don't look very good at all, and in fact, I know that nylock's not going to hold up to exhaust temperatures, so probably put these in the garbage or use them for not the exhaust. They have some things here. I think there's some kind of spacer for the blow-off valve. Not sure actually really what they do. Like I said, I usually build the blocks and the heads and do the ports and things like that, so I never screwed around with this before. But yeah, it's nice of them. I mean, this is even nice of them. I mean, my turbo certainly does not come with a clamp, so I mean, if you don't have one, these are really nice. These are stainless flanges, which you know, attach these adapter deals. Maybe that's the wrong one for that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I said blow off valve again. I'm not gonna redo it. So wastegate, and this is a one take. This is my first time opening this bag. It is open, by the way. And in the previous video, I complained that there was nothing over the top of the valve, but or wastegate. It looks fine. There we go. That thing was in there. I guess it's supposed to be, maybe. And then this. I think before you even use them, what you're supposed to do is probably take them apart. And I think they're like froze up or something. They're not in really great condition. But it's really easy to do. I guess you just take off these Allen bolts. And another YouTuber, I'll probably link it in the description when I get time, says what you got to do to this, which I'll be watching that video, and supposedly they work just like the real thing after you do that. But yeah, it was like, I don't know, it was like 20 bucks shipped or something like that. It's really cheap, even here in Japan. So I mean, so far, I recommend it. We'll see how it actually performs. If it performs like dog shit, then of course I'll be making another video and saying don't buy this. Alright, catch you on the flip flop.